Hi, everyone. This is Milton Solano, GIS analyst at the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute. In this short video, I want to demonstrate how to download the VCI Topographic Map version 2022 within ArcGIS Field Maps, which is a free application downloadable from the Android market and iOS. Once you have installed ArcGIS Field Maps, the icon will appear on your tablet or smartphone. What we do next is to open the program to search for the map. Once you have opened the program, you will notice that there are three options to use. The first two options, signing with ArcGIS Online and signing with ArcGIS Enterprise, require having a registered account with ArcGIS Online. In our case, we don't need an account. Therefore, we will use the last option, skip signing. So let's go ahead and click here. Field Maps opened, and now we will have a list of free maps to use. What we have to do now is search for the map of Barro Colorado. To do this, click on the search icon, the magnifying glass in the upper right corner. Now we will write the text Barro Colorado. Barro Colorado. In the list of maps, we will see the map called Barro Colorado Island Topographic Map 2022. We will select it to see the details for this map. You will notice that the map now appears, and we have three options. One option is the online map, which is the online map available when we have internet connection. If we open this map, we will see that the map is a complete area of BCI. At this message of allow field maps to access these devices location, let us click here while using the app. So make sure that the GPS is only used when we are using field maps. If we zoom in closer into the map, we will notice a lot of details like the study plot, the trails, the markers for the trails, the buildings. If we open the layer list, we can even open the geology map, the BCI restricted areas. So we have a lot of information on this map. We can even search for data. If I click here on the magnifying glass and search for a marker like AVA-04, I have the result here, and I can see where it's located, this marker. Okay, let's go back to the list of maps. And you will notice that there are two maps under the map areas here. The Barro Colorado Island offline maps, which is 162 megabytes in size, and the Gigante offline map, which is at 139 megabytes. At each side of the map is the download button, which we will press to download the map. Field Maps, it's downloading the map into the memories device, and it will be stored there until we remove it. So we have the online version, which is always available when you have internet connection, and then you have your offline map that you have available when there is no internet connection. Let's wait for the map to finish downloading. Okay, almost done. We can go ahead and download the Gigante offline map as well. If you need to have the Gigante area offline. Okay, now the Barrio Colorado Island offline map is ready. So what I will do is disconnect from the internet just to show you that the map is available. If I refresh my tablet, the online map disappeared, and it's the Barrio Colorado Island offline map, the only one available. So I will open the map. Now it's opening, and here is the map. All the other area, the black area around, is the area that is not available in the offline map version. But if you zoom in, everything is there for you to use when you are working on VCI. So now the map is ready to be used on the field without internet connection, okay? That's all in this video. I hope you find it useful and that you can find your way in Barrio Colorado. Any comments, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much for your attention.